Silicones, used all around the world, often invisible, always reliable, totally innovative. There are over 3,000 different silicones in WACKER'S product portfolio, including products for construction, energy and electronics, coatings, textiles, medical technology, and the automotive industry. Elastic silicone moldings are used in the plastics industry and many other sectors.
Silicones are just incredibly versatile. They never cease to amaze me. Every day brings new products and new applications. I'm convinced silicones are virtually unique in that respect.
To make silicones, you need one thing in particular: silicon metal. WACKER'S sources a quarter of its silicon requirements from its own production site in the Norwegian municipality of Holla. That gives us a measure of independence from other sources.
The most important business fields are unquestionably construction, followed by automotive. But healthcare is also very important to us.
A silicones research laboratory in Burghausen.
Our team is extremely dedicated to developing new products, and we also enjoy pushing back the frontiers of silicon chemistry further and further.
This is where silicone gels for gentler wound dressings and bandages are tested. The market for these products is skyrocketing.
Silicon has properties which prevent the wound from drying out. This helps the wound to heal faster and greatly reduces the amount of scar tissue that forms. Silicon offers a unique combination of good adhesion on the part of the dressing and gentle removal.
The next research step is to incorporate sensors.
It's quite conceivable that in the future such sensors will be able to detect whether a patient is drinking enough fluids or, for example, a wound is in the early stages of infection. That would give the medical team sufficient time for early intervention to prevent the situation from deteriorating.
WACKER has been developing silicones for the auto industry for over 60 years. Its expertise in this area is recognized all around the world.
Silicones are used in all kinds of automotive applications. No one could dispute that. Naturally, they are used under the hood. The closer you get to the hot engine, the more you will see silicone rubber being used instead of traditional organic rubber materials.
Electronics seized control of the automobile a long time ago, and so did high-tech silicones. Silicones are used to encapsulate the numerous controllers and sensors for driver assist systems, which are becoming smarter and smarter. This is an area where WACKER is particularly strong, because when we're developing a product, we anticipate that it will go into mass production.
I would even go so far as to say that we are pioneers in this respect. You see, almost 20 years ago, we founded a tech center where we scrutinized our customers' technology, refined the technology behind our own products, and then paid great attention to the processing of our products to ensure that they function, not only in the actual application, but also during processing.
And now, we resume our scheduled program.
The outlook for us can really only be described as promising, given the unbelievable advances we are currently witnessing in the automotive market. I believe that we have identified and are addressing the key topics, keeping one eye on the future while assiduously working on the present.
Everything is based on our successful past. August 1947 marked the dawn of the age of silicones, when WACKER became the first silicones producer in Europe. In 2016, some 2 billion euros, that's more than 1/3 of WACKER'S total sales of 5.4 billion euros, were generated by the 4,500 employees in the Silicones business division, the largest in the company. WACKER has 26 production sites around the world, and 12 of them are tied into the integrated production system operated by WACKER Silicones.
Customer proximity is WACKER's strength. We deliberately decided to switch the development of products intended for the electronics industry from Burghausen in Germany to Korea, so as to be close to the market.
South Korea, land of paradoxes, where tradition lives side by side with modernity and innovation. Here, WACKER is working hand in hand with leading global electronic companies to develop new solutions.
What we are doing is we try to do our best in every field and every industry. And we always try to create something new.
Dr. Yong-Han Kim and his team are working on high-performance silicones for LED chips that generate light. Absolute purity is essential here.
And especially optical property is very important because for the LED application, silicon covers the light source. So light comes out through the silicon material, which means the silicon material should be crystal clear.
LEDs are taking over the world. Another Wacker's strength lies in the speed at which it can supply this business with a constant stream of new silicone materials.
Before we submit our material to our future customers, we need to do internal tests with our material to have a kind of confidence with our material.
Our objective is to grow by 4 to 6% in this area each year, and we have succeeded by beating that figure in recent years.
The silicone success story continues. Silicones are truly versatile products, and Wacker is not about to run out of ideas for new applications anytime soon.